Is there a secret message in the map design of Washington, D.C.? Every time we begin a bike ride, we go through Google Maps and we turn on the bike route feature right here. Whoa, look at this. When you connect all the dots, the shapes start emerging. Ooh, this looks like a compass. This section near the White House looks like a pyramid. Why are these mysterious symbols part of Washington, D.C. landscape? What could it mean? Is it a secret message to be solved? So why is Washington, D.C. layout like this? Who designed this? Are they pointing us to something? Our quest is to plan a bicycle route using the hidden symbol paths as our bike route. Hopefully there'll be no hills, and we'll just stick to bike lanes.
What about our coffee stop?
Coffee shop, good idea. Let's go riding! When I was doing research for this bike tour, I discovered that Pierre L'Enfant was the one that designed the layout of Washington, D.C., and he was part of the secret society of Freemasons. The Freemasons secret society influence is all over Washington, D.C. So who are the Freemasons? They are a secret society that has been written about by Dan Brown. There is a legend that he speaks about in his book. In ancient times, the Freemasons were in charge of hiding the secret of how the Egyptians built the pyramids. Nobody knows. The secret was supposedly hidden in a pyramid in America. Is it a myth, or are the secrets kept right here in Washington, D.C.? Is the D.C. map layout a message, or is it a clue? We are starting on part of the compass that is part of the layout of the Washington, D.C. map. Heading towards that way on bike lanes. We are gonna stop at the Washington Monument. It's an Egyptian obelisk. It's pyramid shapes. Now, what is an Egyptian obelisk doing here in Washington, D.C.?
Good gravy!
I have no idea. We're gonna pick up the street here that will head us to the U.S. Capitol and see if we can see any Freemason mystery symbols. The Capitol. That's where the compass leads us to.
She looks Egyptian.
It is really hard to tell that you're riding on the compass shape. The curious patterns are really only revealed from above. Now we're gonna ride on the right arm of the compass, heading towards the White House.
Whoa.
Woo! We are now on the right arm of the compass. Coffee stop! Here's the money for the coffee.
Whoa, it's Egyptian pyramid.
Oh yeah, why is there an Egyptian pyramid on the $1 bill? That's a good question.
And then it spells out Mason.
Ooh, let me see.
Is there some kind of message here we can't figure out?
This is right out of the scene from a Dan Brown novel. The arm of the compass, and it leads us right to the Freedom Plaza. So more secret society Freemason symbols at Freedom Plaza. Why is there a pyramid here? Is the same pyramid, the all-seeing eye pyramid that's on the $1 bill that we just saw. This is getting interesting. Is it a clue? Are we gonna discover something today? So we have completed the tip of the compass and it ends up at the White House. Okay, so the compass points to the White House, and the White House sits at the base of another symbol, the unfinished pyramid. So we're going to travel directly to where the all-seeing eye is located. So what do you think is located there? So we're almost there to where the seeing eye is located on the map. Pretty excited to see what's there. One more block. I see it, and I see sphinxes. This is very interesting. What is it? Oh my God, there's 2 sphinxes. The place kind of looks like a pyramid. Guess where we are? Where the eye is located is a secret society Freemason building. So are there secrets of the pyramid hidden here? Is it a coincidence? Google Maps to create this bicycle route, but there are other route apps out there. We will name just a few in the description below. Hope this helped you in planning your next enjoyable bicycle route. Be creative, and please let us know in the comment section what your bicycle route plan was.
Hope to see you riding.